Yes, see children, so the next part we have, it's a time to listen. In this listen part also grammatical topic we have, that is usage of articles. Articles, can you remember? A and the, right? A is used before consonant sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. The is used before which are particular. Right, Nana? So now here in this part, we use no article in the following cases. What is this no article? Articles means we have learnt only three. Those are a and the. That's the two only, a or an and the. Definite, indefinite. But what about these no article? No article means some places we cannot use any article. In some places we cannot use any article. A we cannot use, and we cannot use, the also we cannot use. So where we cannot use any articles, that we can see, we can learn the points from that. So where can't we use the articles? So one is with the names of countries. One is with the names of countries. With the names of countries. When? That is if those countries are singular. If the country name is singular, before them we cannot use any article. If they are singular, we cannot use any article with the names of countries. How? See the example. Suppose India. India is an important economic power. India is an important economic power. India is an important economic power. So here India, country name we have. That's why we cannot use any article. An India or else the India, we cannot write it. And suppose another one, he has just returned from America. From America. So here also before America, no article. We cannot use any article. But the we use before some countries' names. Okay, especially United is the abbreviations. But we can use the USA. America means we don't write it. But USA, if you write the, we should write it. The UK or the United Kingdom. The UK or the United Kingdom. The UK or the United Kingdom. Here also same. The United States of America or the USA. The we should use. But only America if we get, we cannot use any article. But the United States of America, USA if we get, before that the we must use it. Okay ma? The same way United Kingdom or UK if we get, before that also the. The Netherlands. Okay na? So these are before separated one and later formatted. So later they formatted new country. That's why mix of some other countries, those we call it. Before them we should write the definite article. Okay Nana? Before them the we should write it. Generally before the names of countries we cannot use any article. Okay ma? That is the first point. And see the second point, what do we have? Second point is write the name before the names of languages. With the names of languages. With the names of languages. Languages means not of English or Hindi, not only that. Any state language or any country language. Okay, in our state if we take it, Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kerala, right? So all these we have na. So for these we cannot use any articles before it. Okay ma? So suppose See this, French is spoken. French is spoken in Tahiti. In Tahiti. This is the place name. Okay. English. Next I am writing English uses many words of Latin origin. Latin origin. So English uses many words of Latin origin. So most of the English words we got from Latin. So like this, before French, before English, did we use any articles? No. So whatever the languages we are using, before them we cannot use any articles. Okay. So English, French, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil. Okay. Like this we should write it, but we cannot use any articles. And see the next one, with the names of meals. With the names of meals also we cannot use any articles. With the names of meals, that is, I have done my lunch, not the lunch. I have done my dinner, right? So lunch is at midday. So dinner is in the evening. Lunch is at midday. Midday. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. First meal of the day. So here, before lunch, before breakfast, before dinner, we cannot use any articles. Right, Nana? So one is before the names of countries, we cannot use any article. But if they are formatted, united countries means we can use the. And with the names of languages, we cannot use any article. That is English, Sanskrit, English, Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, Tamil. Okay, so like this, before them we cannot use any articles. And the next one, with the names of meals also. That is a breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch. Brunch, you know. There's a late breakfast and early lunch. So that we call it, come up for the breakfast it is too late, and for that at a time you eat the lunch early. There's a morning 11 o'clock, 11:30. If you eat lunch 10:30 to 11:30 like that, that is called brunch. Without having the breakfast, direct lunch, but early. So that we call it brunch. So lunch, breakfast, dinner or brunch, no articles before them. Right, Nana? So let's see some more points. Next point, Amma, what do we have? With people's names. With people's names. So generally any names, before them we cannot use any article if they are singular. Only one name of a person or any person if we mention, we cannot use any article. Suppose, see here, John is coming to the party. John is coming to the party. So here John, we don't know about that person, but here John is coming to the party means maybe they know that one. That's why we cannot use any article. George King is my uncle. George King is my uncle. So here that his uncle name is George. That's why we cannot use any article. Okay, ma? So, and that is, we are having lunch with the Morgans tomorrow. So, that is the Morgans means that is a particular people. That's why there we can use, but only singular names if we get it, we cannot use any article. That is the family name. That's why we can. And see the next point, fifth point, what do we have? With titles and names. With titles and names. So generally, before the titles and names, we cannot use any article. So that is, Gandhiji was killed by. Gandhiji was killed by Godse. Right. So before these names, did we use any articles? No. Those people are, we don't know about the, we didn't see those people, we didn't meet them, but we know about them. That's why we cannot use any article. And the titles also here we should write. Prince Charles. Prince Charles. Prince Charles is Queen Elizabeth's son. Queen Elizabeth's son. So here Queen Elizabeth is a famous. Before that we cannot use any article. Prince Charles. So title is there. That's why we cannot use any article. Okay, ma? Like this. And suppose if we have particular people without queen, like this if we get it, the Elizabeth's son. So the Queen of Elizabeth, England, or else only title if we get it, we can write. So title with the name if we get, we cannot write it. Okay, ma? One more example also I'll tell you. See that. Suppose Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi okay, or else the Prime Minister. Okay, see the title here. Name of the person is there along with the title. That's why we cannot write that article in any article here. But only Prime Minister, anyone is there. So who is in that post we didn't mention. That's why here the Prime Minister. Here no article. We cannot use title with name if we get it. We cannot use any article. Okay. Mount Everest or else the Everest. The Everest. Only title name if we get it, the Everest we can write. But Mount Everest both if we get it, we cannot use any article. Clear, Nana? So these are the another 2 points. So that is with the people's names. With the people names. So any person's names if we get singular, we cannot use any articles. And the same way with the titles and names also we can. Suppose if a title and name both if we get, we cannot use any article. But only the title if we get, we should write the definite article before it. But title and name both if we get, we cannot use any article. Okay, Nana? Only name means we can, only name also we cannot write. The title and the name if we get, we cannot write any article. Only title if we get, we should write the definite article. Okay, Nana? So let's see the next 2 points. See, Emma, next point, what do we have? So, 6th point, yes, after the apostrophe s, possessive case we call it. Apostrophe s if we get it, that we call it possessive case. So after this we cannot use by any article. So his brother's car. His brother's car. Peter's house. So apostrophe s if we get it, we cannot use any articles like this. And next point you see, very important, with professions. With professions. Generally, before professions, we can write indefinite article a or an. So, he is an engineer. First of all, I am a student. I am a student. I am a teacher. Right? Before professions, generally we use indefinite article either a or an. But most of the professions we don't write any article, especially when we use them in the starting. Engineering. This is not engineering, Nana. This is engineering. So, engineering is a useful career. Engineering is a useful career. Engineering is a useful career. He will probably get into medicine. He'll probably get into medicine. So here medicine, engineering, these are the professions. But before them generally we don't use any article. But in which profession we are, in that way when we write it a or an we can write. So I am a student, I am a teacher, he is an accountant. Right, there we can use in articles a or an, but generally the names of professions when we mention we don't write any article. In which profession we are, if we tell, at that conditions we can write a or an. Right, Nana? So these are the no article can use case. That means we cannot use any article before these things. What are those? One is with the names of countries if they are singular. And another one is with the names of languages. And another one is with the names of meals. With the names of languages, with the names of meals, with the people's names, we cannot write any articles. With the titles and names also, we cannot write any article. And after the apostrophe s, possessive case also, we cannot write articles. And with the professions also, we cannot write any articles. Okay, Nana? So these are the main important points. Then next class, we can see the next grammar topic. Seema, the next in this lesson, that is the clever and cock, the cunning and the clever cock and the cunning fox, we have a grammar part, right? So we have discussed the no article uses where we cannot use any articles. Now in this we have time to learn, that is the forming of possessive. Possessive forms. Possessive forms means general, just we keep the apostrophe and s like this we write down. So where can we use, what is the use of that? Let's see in this. So generally possessive form is used with nouns. Is used with nouns. Nouns means names, especially is used with nouns referring to people, groups of people, countries and animals. So for all these we can use based on the sentence apostrophe s, that is people are that is groups of people or countries or animals. For all these we use the possessive forms, right? So this possessive form means what is that? Belonging to or ownership. Possessive form means belonging to or ownership. Belonging to or ownership. So with that is the meaning of the possessive form. Where can we use this possessive form? To the people or groups of people or countries or animals. So for all these we can use possessive form. So let's see the examples one by one. So once if we see Raju owns a car, or else Raju has a car. Anything we can write. So suppose Raju owns a car, Raju has a car, like this if we say. Suppose, or else you have a book. By showing this book is yours, right? This book is yours, right? Your apostrophe is there. Okay, so this book is Geeta's. This is Geeta's book. This is Geeta's book. This is Ramu's book. Right now. So Geeta's, Ramu's means apostrophe s, not of only s, apostrophe related to that we should write. So then he owns car, that is it is Raju's car. It is Raju's car. He has a car, that we can call it is whose car is it? Raju's car. So that's why it is Raju's car. So this is possessive form. That is possessive form. Right, Nana? So India has some gold reserves. India has some gold reserves. So what can we write? There are India's gold reserves. There are India's, India apostrophe s. Like this we can write it. And next one, for the relations also we can use. So one more point we have. So relations also we can use possessive forms. For the relations, how can we use for the relations? Same, how I said the same thing. Suppose Rani goes to the school. Rani goes to the school. Right. So Rani goes to the school. So if I come to the school and if I show to any other relatives, what can I say? Yes, this is Rani's school. This is Rani's school means Rani is studying there, but not of Rani is the owner. So Rani is studying there. So then we can say this is Rani's school. You are studying in this school. When your parents come with your grandparents or any other relatives, they say, yes, this is our child's school. Child. This is our Raju's school. This is our Jeshwant's school. Right? So like this we can write. So apostrophe s. Okay, Nana? With the names we can use the apostrophe. So Mohan sleeps in his room. Because this is Mohan's room. Mohan sleeps in his room. This is Mohan's room. This is Mohan's room. Right? So, and a family relation. Next we can write. So, family relation. There also we can write. Family relation also. For the family relationship also we write apostrophe s for possessive form. What is that? She is John's mother. She is John's mother. He is the queen's he is the queen's son. He is queen's son. She is the queen's daughter. Like this. And one more is qualities. Before the names of qualities. Qualities is adjectives, but nouns these are not. Before names of qualities also we can write. So that is John's patience. So don't test John's patience. So the politician's hypocrisy. So for this we should write apostrophe s. And another one is that is here. How do you form means just. That is a possessive form. How can you form? Okay, did you understand now? Possessive form means what is that? Where it is necessary we should add just apostrophe. This is called apostrophe and yes, upper comma, that is called apostrophe. Okay, Nana? And we should add yes, that is called possessive form. That is called possessive form. Where can we use the possessive form? Only referring to the people, groups of people, countries and animals. For all of them we can use possessive form. That is, possessive form means what? Apostrophe S. Possessive form means yes, we should write apostrophe yes. So that is when it is what is the possessive form? Possessive form means belonging to or ownership. They may belong to that or that is of their own. So own means here it is Raju's car. If I have a car, this is my car. How I can say? You can say this is teacher's car. This is teacher's bike. Teachers means here all teachers? No. Teacher apostrophe S. Suppose if I show you a notebook and who is this? If any other say this is Rani's book, ma'am. This is Rani's book. Rani apostrophe S. Right, Nana? Like this we should write. Suppose you are coming to school here. If your parents they say this is our child's school, right? This is Monal's school. This is Mahit's school. Right? Like this they can say your name and apostrophe S. This is called possessive form. Right, Nana? So let's do some examples on this possessive form. See, Amma? So rewrite the following nouns with possessives. So we have discussed how to write the possessive. So one is done for you. They have given that is mother's. Apostrophe S. Just possessive form means we should keep just apostrophe S only. So like that remaining you do it. They asked. What is this here? Daughter. Tell me answer. What do you get? Very good. Daughters. Daughters how to write? Apostrophe S. Without apostrophe S if we write 2-3 daughters if they have, but this belong to that daughter, that's why daughters apostrophe S. Even son also sons. This is not the plural form, this is the possessive form. Plural form means without apostrophe we should write. Apostrophe and S if we get it, that is called possessive form. Belong to. Okay, this is my son's room. This is my daughter's phone. Okay, this is my mother's room. Okay, like this. Friend. So this is my friend's car. Friend apostrophe S. So you have taken your friend car. So then we can say, or else your friend pen. This is my friend's pen. Okay, so Kiran. So Kiran's. This is Kiran's book. This is Kiran's book. This is Kiran's bottle. Right now. So like this, possessive forms we should write. Okay, ma? So write it down in your book. See, ma, the next topic we have, it's a time to watch. What can we watch here? See the picture there? Yes, zoo, giraffe you can see, trees you can see, big gate. So in the zoo means, have you visited? Yes, you have seen so many animals and birds, na? Yes. Now look at the picture. So all of you see the picture. What do you see there? So write 3 lines describing the picture. By describing that picture you should write 3 lines. So I am telling you, I am writing here. Note it down all of you. In this picture, we can see, what can we see here? We can see a zoo. Right, Nana? Zoo is a place where different animals and birds are kept. So what is this? In this picture we can see a zoo. Zoo is a place where different animals and birds are kept. Yes, zoo, what do we see? Different kinds of animals and different types of birds we can see. Right, Nana? And now, zoo's aim, see apostrophe S. Zoo's aim is to protect the most endangered species, So which animals are in danger? So those, the most endangered species against against all animals and birds species. So against various forms of dangers such as poaching. So without killing those animals, so without affecting from the other animals or human beings, these animals are protected in the zoos. Okay, Nana? So in this picture we can see a zoo. So zoo is a place where different animals and birds are kept. Yes, in the zoos different animals and different birds we have. Zoo's aim is to protect the most endangered species against various forms of dangers. Yes, the animals if they are out means various dangers, different dangers we have now. We also have danger with them and they also have danger. Right? So such as poaching. Okay, ma. So this is the picture related answer. 3 sentences they asked, na? So this you can write it. Okay. Now see children, so in this we have time to speak. What is this time to speak? Divide the class into pairs and encourage them to pick out words that rhyme with the following words. So here all of you, total 6 words are there. So each of you one word you take it, and that is a 2 members, 3 members, one word you take it and create the rhyming words with that. Okay ma? So fox, cock, dog, hands, foot, bolt. So pick out these words that rhyme with the following words. So with these words you pick out and write the rhyming words for this. Okay children, this work I am giving to you. All of you create the rhyming words for all these words. Okay, then all of you create the rhyming words for all these words. So not of one. All of you prepare all the rhyming words. So who had written similar or different, I'll check it in the next class. Okay, Nana. So this is your work. You complete it. First we can see the next topic. See ma, it's a time to write. So in this time to write, what did they ask? Write a conversation. Write a conversation between the fox and cock. Between the fox and cock. Between the fox and cock. So the conversation in this lesson, we have the conversation between fox and cock. Na? So what is that conversation we should write? So conversation means dialogues we get. Na? So now see the first dialogue from the fox. So what the fox said when it saw the cock on the branch of a tree. So please come down. Please come down. I want to make friendship. I want to make friendship with you. I want to make friendship with you and introduce you to my friends. And introduce to my friends. I want to make a friendship with you and introduce you to my friends. Sorry, introduce you to my friends. So and introduce you to my friends. So what is the cock answer? Cock, what it said? Dear fox, dear fox, one of my leg was hurt. One of my leg was hurt and I can't move from here. I can't move from here. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. And some of my friends village dogs will come here to know my welfare. To know my welfare means how I am. Right, Nana? To know my welfare. So we all can become friends then. We all can become friends then. Okay, Nana. So this is the cock said. So then what is the fox reply for that? Sure, I will come in an hour. I'll come in an hour. Why? Because it was afraid of dogs. Right now? Sure, I will come in an hour and meet you all. Bye. Meet you all. And meet you all. Bye. So it said bye and it went off. Right? Meet you all. Bye. Okay, Nana. So the fox was afraid of the dogs and said, sure, I will come in an hour and meet you all. Bye. That it said. Right? So this is the conversation between, here you can write the fox with afraid of fear of dogs. That you can write it, but I didn't write. So got afraid on hearing about the dogs. So sure, it said, sure, I'll come. But here it is enough. So please come down. I want to make friendship with you and introduce you to my friends. The fox invited requested the cock. But what the cock said? Dear fox, one of my leg was hurt and I can't move from here. Wait for some time. So some of my friends, those are village dogs, will come here and will come here to know my welfare. Welfare means how I am here. So we all can become friends then. So by hearing about the dogs, Emil said, sure, I will come in an hour. Later I'll come. That means I'm going. So meet you all at that time. Bye. So now it starts a escape. Right, Nana? So these are the dialogues. Write it down in your book. Yes, Seema. So next we have in the time to write only, make sentences using the following words. Make sentences using the following words. So here they have given some words. We should write our own sentences. So what is the first word we have? First word is clever. Clever. So write your own sentence. Can you write? Clever. What can we write? Yes, Radha is a clever girl. Rajesh is a clever boy. Yes, you can write. I am a clever girl. Right, you can write. So here, I am writing from the lesson this sentence. The cock was very clever. The cock was very clever. That I am writing. You can write this one, or Rajni is a clever girl. Okay, she is very clever. Rajni is very clever. Like that you can write. Okay, ma. And see the second one. What do you have here? Decide. Second one. Decide. Decide. So what is the answer? I will decide the menu. I will decide the menu for today's lunch. Right? I'll decide the menu. And see the third one. What do we have? Sweet. Do you like sweets now? Yes. So sweet. I like sweets very much. I love sweets. You can write it, or else I like sweets. Sweet. I like sweets very much. Yes. Next one, fourth one, what do you have? Clutch. Fourth one we have clutch. C-L-U-C-H. Clutch. Clutch. What can you write? The child clutched her mother's hand. Mother's hand. The child clutched her mother's hand. That is, hold it tightly, na? That. And next one, what do we have? Fool. Fool. Don't behave like a fool. Don't behave like a fool. Okay, Nana. Don't behave like a fool. So, clever. Clever means the cock was very clever. The sentence we can write by using the clever. Rajesh is very clever. Right? So, the cock was very clever. And decide. I will decide the menu. I will decide the menu. Sweet. I love sweets very much. I like sweets very much. And clutch. The child clutched her mother's hand. And fool. Don't behave like a fool. Don't behave like a fool. So, these are the words you can write. See, Nana, so today's in this lesson, that is the clever and the clever cock and the cunning fox. In this, the last topic we have. What is that? Your favorite. That is project work. Time to do. So, what is the project work? Egg gut they have given. What is that? Make patterns on eggs using colors. So, take the eggs and color patterns you create. So, here like this. All of you know emojis are like that. So, like that, any patterns, you do it on the eggs. Do it on the eggs. Okay, Nana? So, be careful. Eggs can you handle? Okay. Otherwise, the balls you can take it, or else boiled eggs you take it and make it. Okay, Nana? Better. That is, we can't keep for long time, na? That's why any balls like the egg shape, you take it and make the patterns on this. Okay, Nana? Clear? So, eggs make it color and draw the patterns on this. So, this is your project work. All of you do it properly. Okay, Nana? So, this is our lesson, the clever cock and the cunning fox.